Your addiction to suffering has caused you so much pain that you are currently so desperate to find a solution outside of you, you haven't realized the solution has been in the mirror this entire time because you don't trust yourself, when in actuality you should only trust you. That realization is so deep because we go out into this world and we are conditioned and programmed to look for validation about who we are, about our worth, about our value, about what we can contribute, about what we mean here in this space, in this body, in this human meat suit. We are looking for everyone else to define us, the dictionaries, the encyclopedias, the social medias, from our families that we come from to the families that we create. We are just looking for all of the external validation to tell us exactly who we are, when this entire time the answers have been internal. And your addiction to suffering through the defining of you from others has caused you so much pain that you are currently online out in the world looking for someone like myself, someone who is looking to plant seeds to remind you exactly of who you are, not what you can do, but who you are. Because when you speak the words I am that are written in the Bible over 2,000 times and in every ancient text, you are commanding your reality to conform. So what you say after that, if you believe it, that's who you are. So if you say, I am someone who suffers, you may not say that specific phrase, but you live your life in that manner. If you go on throughout life saying, I am the subject of pain, then you may not say those exact words, but how you live your life reflects that statement. And it's the reason that you continue to create these cycles, cool realities in your life that are unpleasant, that cause the level of suffering that you no longer want. And so you're looking for answers outside of you. I'm here to tell you, as someone who has done it for herself, literally pulled myself out of the deepest, darkest place ever. I see clearly now. I had to go within. The answers was not in someone else's motivational video. It was not in someone else's transformation. It was always within myself. Now, those videos that planted seeds, like I'm hoping this video does for someone who is looking for the light, I hope this video serves as that. And I know the ones and the people, I call them my virtual dream team. People that I've never seen before would just pop up on my recommended page and they would just pour into me without ever meeting me, because they've been through the experience that I wanted to get out of at that point in my life. So take this video, take this message as just a seed that I am planting into your life. Your addiction to suffering must end today by looking within, not out, okay? Oh, bars. Seriously. Look within. Stop blaming. Stop pointing fingers. You have this habit of just pointing fingers and blaming the government, blaming the people, blaming how you were raised, blaming how much money you have or don't have, blaming the silver spoon that was or was not in your mouth. You have this addiction to blaming your suffering on everything outside of you, when the true answer is that it's been in you this entire time. So how do you elevate yourself from suffering? You get unaddicted to it. You need to go cold turkey. Anytime you find yourself blaming someone, something outside of you, observe it. Anytime you are looking for a fix outside of you, observe it. Anytime that you engage in gossip, talking about other people to other people, or talking about your shared trauma with other people, observe it. Anytime you find yourself having the same thoughts of trying to change your past because your present, you are suffering so much in the present moment, observe it. Those are inclinations that you are addicted to the same story of suffering. And the reason the addiction comes because you keep reminding yourself of the hardships. You keep reminding yourself of the pain and suffering. You keep being around people who cause you more pain and suffering because y'all share a bond, a trauma bond of pain and suffering. And so you think that's your friend. You think that's your friend-made family. You think that your family that you come from, you all can relate, so therefore you belong. You relate in your pain and your suffering, so you belong together. You don't. If you are someone who wants to detach, unplug, remove yourself out of the loop of pain and suffering. You must observe your current reality as it is. Stop trying to change the past. Stop trying to make your future perfect. You have to observe your current reality as it is. When you do, you will pick up the hints. You will start seeing how you've engaged in your own suffering, how you are responsible for it. But this video isn't to put you down. I'm saying these words to empower you, because once you realize you are in charge of your own suffering, you also, in the same breath, hopefully, will come to realize that you are in charge of your transformation, your unbecoming, your becoming, your transcendence, the thing that you seek. You are capable of creating that as your reality. But first, you must observe the reality as it is. I don't want you to regret yourself. I don't want you to speak poorly of yourself. I just want you to observe the facts, the data for what it is. When you observe the data for what it is, because we know men lie, women lie, numbers don't, data doesn't. When you do it unbiased, when you do unbiased observation, not feeling sorry for yourself and not overcompensating for yourself, excusing yourself, okay? You're just listing out what it is, okay? Online, great. People that have overcome the obstacles that you are looking to overcome have so much value to provide. But the way that you're going to overcome it is not through their videos. Their videos are simply a seed. You have to water it. You have to choose to want to water it. You have to choose to want to allow sunlight, to allow it to grow. You have to choose to to let it breathe. The choice is yours in your actions or inactions. Okay? So from here on out, we're going to take responsibility for our realities. We are no longer going to place the blame on anyone outside of us. We're going to call on our higher self to move forward from here on out. All right? I really do hope this message reaches the person that is just looking for that sign to start or stop, to go or grow, to live with purpose, vision over views. Meaningful to you, not the algorithm, not the others, to you, meaningful to you. All right? So, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are ready to build more momentum in your life, be sure to click the link in the description. I send out a newsletter. Be sure to subscribe. I'm here all the time. Be sure to ponder on what I just spoke about. All right? So in the meantime, in between time, my name is Spivey J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right? Peace.